right, hi everyone. So I'm gonna film just a really quick tutorial showing how to draw a worm's eye axonometric. And I have my sheet here aligned with the edge of the table. I'm gonna rotate it, so it's about 45 degrees. And then I'm gonna draft my plan at that 45 degrees, right? So in this case, I'm gonna use an example where I have a wall that returns. And then let's just say I have some columns. Then I'm going to turn my sheet so I'm back to aligning it vertically. And you can see my page is aligned with the edge of my drawing surface. At this point, I'm going to start to draw my worm's eye axonometric by pulling my lines from the top corner. And that establishes our perspective of the worm's eye. So you have to start at the top and then continue on this side. And the lines that I'm drawing vertically, you can use your scale to measure. I'm going to assume we have a flat roof here. So all of these lines are going to be the same height. You can kind of dash in this one so it's parallel to this line below. And pull that line up. And then I can pull my columns up to the top. And then we can do the same from below, right? So we're going to use the same dimension. And this corner, interior corner would be visible. We could pull, let's see, this would also come up. And then we would see that line there, this line. And you would also see the thickness of this wall here. And of course, this last column, we would also pull this up so it would be the same height here, but it's going to be behind the column above it here. Then you can also poche your plan, right? Just like in our example. So you can add tone all along here to show this is where our cut line is. Now you can also add a roof above this, right? And if you can imagine a roof that projects past the wall. And then you can even add perhaps beams along that. So I'm gonna sort of stop shy here and imagine that we can see some of the thickness of the beams. Yeah, we can do it that way. Right, so now we have the beams below the roof. And you can give the roof a thickness too. Okay, so that's the sort of quick tutorial on how to draw your worm's eye axonometric. So remember, you're going to start with your plan with your paper turned, then rotate it. Then you're going to start at the top corner and pull upwards. Everything there is in the foreground. And then as you move around the plan, this is behind what's above. So start at the top and then move around.